Hi everyone, welcome to another session by Civils 360 IAS Academy. We are continuing our series on government schemes. Today we are going to look at a scheme called NCAP or National Clean Air Program. Have you heard of a term smoke refugee? Due to recent issues of Delhi air quality, many people migrated from Delhi and moved to other cities. They can be termed as smoke refugees. So that states the need for cleaning our ambient air, right? And for that, in 2019, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change proposed a program called NCAP or National Clean Air Program. It is a program, it's a mid-term program that it has plans for 5 years, and this tries to improve the air quality of more than 100 non-attainment cities. It's actually now 130 cities. It is trying to improve the air quality of these 130 non-attainment cities. What are non-attainment cities? Nothing but cities which fail to achieve the national ambient air quality proposed by the government. Those cities which fails to achieve this national ambient air quality are called non-attainment cities. This NCAP tries to purify the ambient air of those cities. And the first target set by NCAP was to reduce the particulate matter concentration by 20 to 30% by 2024 from 2019 level. Later the plan revised and the new target was set to reduce this particulate matter concentration by 40% by 2026. This NCAP provides performance-based incentives to cities so that they can finance their air purifying activities, right? And for million plus cities, the fund is from 15th Finance Commission Challenge Fund. And for other cities, the fund is from CPCB fund or Central Pollution Control Board fund. What are million plus cities? Cities which population is greater than 1 million. It is called a million plus cities. Moving on, how this NCAP is implemented. To implement this NCAP program, cities develops their own plans, and these plans got approved by CPCB. And these cities do sectoral interventions. Sectoral interventions means they'll find the sectors which contributes more to air pollution and they will curb the emission on those sectors. For example, vehicles, right? Vehicles is one of the most contributor of particulate matter. So they will impose vehicle standards. And another thing is fuel, right? So they will adopt cleaner fuels like CNG, LNG, etc. Another thing is they will promote public transport. And they will also control the industrial emissions. And another thing they do is that they will try to manage the solid waste in a better way. All these things will intervene in reduction of air pollution. All these activities are monitored by a portal called PRANA. PRANA means Portal for Regulation of Air Pollution in non-attainment cities. Non-attainment cities. This portal monitors all the activities of NCAP. Now, the report of NCAP in 2024. Let's analyze that. In 2024, the PM10 levels show a significant reduction. In which cities? In Varanasi, it shows up to 70% of reduction. followed by Moradabad and Kanpur. But on the other side of the story, in cities like Delhi and in a city Bairmihat in Assam, actually the air pollution is not under control. The PM concentration is increasing. So these cities, along with Gurugram, Faridabad and Ghaziabad, they need urgent interventions to purify their air. That was a report in 2024. That's all about the scheme. And one more thing I want to show is, this is the air quality index of this date, that is 10th December 2025. Just look at this map given here. In these marked areas, the air quality is poor or very poor. In these eastern areas and in the northern areas. And in all other areas, it may be satisfactory or moderate. In these marked two areas, the air quality is very worst. This is just to show the current situation. Now let's do an MCQ. Go through the question. The question is like this: NCAP, consider the following statements about NCAP. This NCAP aims to reduce particulate matter levels by 40% in all cities by 2026. Second statement is million plus cities under NCAP funded exclusively by CPCB. Is this NCAP is for all cities? No, right? It is for 130 non-attainment cities. So, first statement is wrong. It tries to reduce the particulate matter level by 40% and that too by 2026, but not for all cities. It is for non-attainment cities only. So, first statement is wrong. Now, this million plus cities are funded by Finance Commission Challenge Fund, not by CPCB, right? CPCB funds other cities. So, this statement is also wrong. The correct answer is D. Both the statements are wrong. I hope the program is clear for you. See you on the next session with another one.